There we go.
This truck is a 2003 twin axle Mercedes Sprinter. We are going to have a look at the handbrake assembly. This is my dad, and he is the grumpiest man on the planet.
No.
Tell me what's going on, Sam.
We're taking the wheel hub off
Why?
because the brake.
Right, for context, what's happened is
out the way.
truck. For context, what's happened? The truck has failed the MOT. What the fuck's going on? I'm
Just doing a freaking job, man.
Fuck off! We're trying to do a thing.
Get on with your job, man.
So, for a bit of context, the camper van failed its MOT because the handbrake not operating strongly enough. So, to get to the handbrake, we need to remove the wheels. We need to remove the wheel carrier, the caliper, and then the disc is part of a hub which has a hub brake in there, which is the handbrake. We need to remove it all, clean it up, make sure everything's working alright in there on both sides, put it all back together, tighten it up, and hopefully that will fix the problem with the handbrake. Easy enough in principle. Remove the wheel nuts, remove the nuts that hold the wheel carrier on. That releases the disc at the same time. We need to take the caliper off, which is just held on by 2 bolts. And then, in theory, once those bolts are removed and the caliper's out of the way, the whole lot should swing forward or just pull off, and that should give us access to everything we need. But that's what's going on. That's what you're watching right now. And this part, the wheel carrier, is loose, but it's not loose. Not held on by anything, but it's firmly held in place. From this view you can see the brake disc and hub. As you can see, the hub has holes in it. These can be aligned to allow access to the brake shoe adjuster. So that was the easy bit to get off.
You want to do a video, Felix? Why don't you do a video of this?
Wait, which way? Okay, lefty loose.
Do a video of this, and that, and then bottle.
Say something grumpy.
I've got 2 messy sons who both got ADHD, which stops them from having to do anything.
You've got something on the side of your face, like a big splat of mud or something. Here you can see the removal of the brake calipers.
It's the little one, I know.
You can't use the fucking little one, man.
But I can. It's not tight at all. It's loose.
For fuck's sake, man. It's a 3/8 drive, it's for fucking motorbikes and things, man. That here, and then that lot, and fucking that lot. And it's all this shit. I don't know how you can function in a mess like that.
This is the handbrake assembly. We can see the mechanical actuator at the bottom that is connected to the cable, and we can see the adjuster at the top between the shoes. And that just sits in there and opens up so you can adjust. We have cleaned everything up, put everything back together, tightened the cable, and everything seems to be working fine now. So it's back to the MOT station.